Cameras acting up in your Tesla Model Y. Don't panic, here's what's really going on. First, let's talk about the basics. Your Tesla Model Y relies on cameras for everything, from autopilot to simple parking. When those cameras stop working, it can feel like your car's lost its superpowers. So, why does this happen? The most common reason: dirty cameras. Road dust, rain, or even a bug splat can block the lens and confuse your Tesla. Grab a clean cloth and gently wipe the camera lenses. Next up, software. Sometimes, your Tesla just needs a quick reset. Hold down both steering wheel buttons until the screen goes dark and restarts. This can fix minor glitches, but it's not always that simple. Extreme heat or cold can mess with camera sensors. If your Tesla's been baking in the sun or freezing outside, give it a few minutes to adjust. Still having trouble? Your car might need a software update. Check for any available updates in your Tesla app and install them when parked safely. If nothing works, it's time to reach out to Tesla support. Don't try to fix wiring or hardware yourself. Now you know the common reasons and what to do if your Model Y cameras aren't working. Stay safe out there.